Okay, this one's going to be pretty short. Today we're going to be talking about proportions and similar figures. Now, this is totally exactly like from what you learned in geometry. So, whenever you have similar figures, the corresponding angles are equal, and then the ratio of corresponding lengths are equal. So, if you look at this triangle, I mean, I'm thinking there's several ways you can do it, but I can take x over 14 is equal to uh, see 12 over 16. You got to be very cautious and make sure that, like, see, this x corresponds to this side and this 16 corresponds to that side. So then now you have you can set up a proportion. But before I do that, I'm going to actually reduce 12 over 16. And what is that? 4 goes into that 3/4, right? So then I cross multiply. I got 4x equals 14 times 3, which is, what is that? 12, 42, right? And then you divide both sides by 4, divide both sides by 4. So x is equal to, and then we can always grab our calculator here and do that. And do 42 divided by 4. We can do 42. Oh, you can do 42 divided by 4. And you get 10.5. So the corresponding length of that is 10.5. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Let's look at a little bit more, geared a little bit more to this. A map shows the distance between two towns is 3.5 inches, where the scale on the map is 0.25 inches, colon 5 miles. What is the actual distance between the towns? This is like another way to, well, sorry about that. This is another way to write a ratio. Okay, you can write it as 0.25 inches per 5 miles, or a rate, excuse me. So you can say equals 3.5 inches per x. So then now what you have, you can cross multiply. You got 0.25 x, and then you do 5 times 3.5, which 5 times 3.5 is 17 and a half. So 0.25 is equal to 17.5. And then we can divide both sides by 0.25. So we can divide both sides by 0.25. You're going to divide by 0.25. And I get 70. So that's 70 what? Well, x is 70 miles. All right, and you see this on a map everywhere you go. There's a legend and all that good stuff. So pretty simple, pretty easy. Please go ahead and do the you do's, and we'll do the we do's in class next time I see you. So have a great day, and may the force be with you.